Hi, and welcome to Comprehensible Input, the School Supplies edition. Today we have 24 images, a few videos within there, and let's start with picture number one. Picture number one is of a pencil. A pencil is used to write with. This pencil is yellow. Pencils contain lead and usually have a pink eraser on the end. Number two is of colored pencils. Very similar to picture number one, but these pencils come in various colors. They are used to write or to draw or to color with. Picture number three is of a pencil case. A pencil case is a small bag that you use to carry pencils, pens, markers inside. Picture number four is of the same pencil case, but this time you can see what's inside. Inside of the open zipper, you can see various markers. These markers are in different colors. Image number five is a video. A woman is writing in a planner or in a notebook. She was first using a mechanical pencil and now is using a pen. She is putting the cap on the pen and now she is highlighting inside her notebook. Also on the table are various papers, a water bottle, a bag, a pencil case, headphones, and a phone. Back to our images, we have picture number six, which is simply a sheet of paper. A sheet of blank paper. Blank means there is nothing drawn or written on the paper yet. Picture number seven is of scissors. Scissors are used to cut things. These scissors are silver and black. The next image is of someone using scissors to cut a piece of paper. You can see their hands, one hand inside of the scissors, the other hand holding the piece of paper. This piece of paper is not blank. This piece of paper has various words written on it. The next image is a moving image or a video. It's a video of a little girl cutting a piece of colored paper with blue scissors. The little girl has a bow in her hair, and you can see various pieces of paper in the background on the table. Back to our first sheet of images, we have picture number 10, which is an eraser or rubber. An eraser is used to erase things. So if I use a pencil to write with and I make a mistake, I can use the eraser to erase those words. Picture number 11 is of various erasers, many different erasers. They are mostly pink. I think there's one green eraser there. And they are just like picture number 10. They are used to erase. The next image is a video. In this video, someone is writing. You can see their fingers holding the pencil. Oh, now they're erasing with the eraser of the pencil. The next page is here with images 13 through 24. The first image is of a pen. It's a simple image of a pen. A pen is used to write. Instead of lead inside, a pen has ink inside. Picture number 14 is of highlighters. There are 4 highlighters in this picture. There is a blue highlighter, a purple highlighter, a pink highlighter, and an orange highlighter. The pink highlighter has its cap off. Highlighters are used to emphasize, to color over top of text and emphasize words or sentences. Picture number 15 is of a backpack, also known as a book bag. This backpack has a water bottle in the side of it. In the background, you can see a tree-covered mountain. The backpack is sitting on a rock. Picture number 16 is of a spiral-bound notebook, or simply a notebook. The page in the notebook that we can see is blank. It is blank. There are no words on the page. Image number 17 is a video. In this video, a woman is writing in a notebook. She has painted nails and she is using a pen to write. In the background, you can see a teddy bear. Back to our page, picture number 18 is of a laptop. A laptop is a lightweight computer that you put on your lap. Nowadays, people use laptops also on desks. In this picture, the laptop is sitting on a table or desk with a plant in the background. The next image, image 19, is a video. In this video, there are 4 laptops and 4 people typing on those laptops. You can also see a notebook, pieces of paper with graphs on them, as well as cups of coffee, a phone, as well as people's hands. Image number 20 is of a graph drawn on a sheet of paper. There is also a ruler laying on top of the sheet of paper, as well as 2 pens. Image or picture number 21 is of a pencil sharpener and a pencil. A pencil sharpener is used to sharpen a pencil. It makes the point sharp. Picture number 22 is of sticky notes. These sticky notes are blank. There is nothing written on the sticky notes. These sticky notes are yellow. Below the sticky notes is a marker. Picture number 23 is of a mouse. This mouse is black. This mouse is used to click on things on a computer screen. The last image, image 24, is a moving image or a video. In this video, a man is typing and writing on sticky notes. You can see a tablet to his left, as well as a computer screen to his right. You can see a notebook, a ruler, markers, pieces of paper, a plant, and various things in this room with him. Do any of these words look familiar? We've used them during this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this comprehensible input. See you again soon.